0, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 more. 1, almost. 2, 3, 4. Okay, relax, relax. Double, relax. Give you a moment. Right now, leg up. Okay, use hand, push up. Hand is here. And stay a moment. Double, stay. Stay. Right now, go. If you can touch on the floor, touch on the floor. If you cannot, just stay here. Whatever you can. Okay, stay. Stay. Okay, girls, right now, bending your knee. We're rolling. 1, 2, relax. Rolling like a little boy, little girl. Rolling. Yes. Relax. Beautiful. Relax. One more. Relax. Like a ball rolling. Okay. Ooh, good, girls. Okay, very good. Relax a little. We will do face down. Okay? Okay, we will do face down. We stretch back. Okay? Ready, everybody? Okay, put your hand here. Okay, push up as much as you can. Okay, head up. Right now, feel your lower back. Let it go, okay? Go against it. Let it go. Stretch your lower back. Head up. Stay moment. And relax. We will do one more time, okay? Ready? Push it up. Feel your lower back. Stretch. Head up. Stay. Don't move. Hold. Good. Right now, kneel down. Stay the pose. Relaxing pose. Stretch your back. Don't move. Hold. Then relax. Totally relaxed. Okay, right now, up. Yes, we continue stretching your back, okay? So, put hand up behind your lower back. And then push your hip forwards, arch back. And up. One more time, arch back. And up. This time, stay longer, 8 counts. Stretch. Hold. And up. We do harder with arm up. Okay, you no support from your arm anymore. Go back, push your hip forwards. And up. Again. And up. This time, hold longer, stay. Stay. Bend more. Ayo. Okay, up. Right now, back to relaxed position. Let your back relaxed. Stay. Don't move. Relax. And then up. Right now, we do one last stretch back, okay? Use hand, hold your ankles here. Both ankle, yes, hold it. Right now, go. Push it up. and stay. Don't move. And go down. Give you a relax a little. We push you again, okay? Ready? Push up again. Beautiful. And down. The third time you have to hold longer, okay? Ready, everybody? Your knee can open a little bit wider. Go up. Stay. Don't move. Let it go. And finish. Back to relaxed position again. Relax. Hold the moment. Okay, right now, everybody face down. Right now we work on your hip muscle, okay? The hip muscle. Hold here. Okay, leg up. 1, 2. We do 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go down. Right now we do your back muscle. Upper body up 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. We will do one more group. We do the hip muscle first. Okay, ready? Let's do it. Leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. One last time. We do back muscle, upper body up, okay? Ready? 10 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay. Right now, rolling up, face up. This is another relaxed position. Just stay here with your knee bent. Give your back fully relaxed. Stay for a moment. Your whole back on the floor. Don't move. Okay? Don't move. Just stay there. Relax. You just relax watching me, okay? Just relax. So, right now we will do hip up like that, okay? So look at me, okay? So you from here, the both foot is parallel. When you go up, your heel need to push forwards. You go first position and 10 in, 10 out, 10 in, 10 out, 10 in. Okay, got that? Every time you go up, you turn out. Every time you go down, so turn in. This will help you later for your turn out muscle. The arm muscle, the hip muscle, rotate your leg